For this lesson sizobe siphendula a question on static electricity. Static electricity si experience almost every day. Nangabe uthi awuyazi static electricity uzobe uzikhohlisa. Bheka. Static electricity siyayithola ku lightning, siyayithola ezimpahleni zethu nangabe uzirabha kahle, right? Ngeke ngaba ne-experience where ngithi nangiceda uku-ayina iloku ayi-shirt lami nasokomele ngiligcoka I felt ilo kanje i-static electricity, right? Lokhu ukuthi iyangichoka lento bese mhlawumbe ubamba itafula or ubamba ifridge or ubamba something else nyana, so le shock oyitholayo le iloku ayi-static electricity. Nami itafula lami nangilibamba manje khala bo, it's because of static electricity. Alright, now lana basiphe two yama-spheres, A no B. They are held at a distance and suspended from ceiling. So A is positively charged, B neutral again, right? Now, on the first question, but explain what is meant by a neutral charge. A neutral charge has it has an equal number of protons nama electrons, meaning that if there's 3 proton, you want 3 electrons, so that they cancel each other out, bese iba neutral, meaning that there's 0 charge. The net charge neutral charge, it's 0 charge. Then bese bathi explain what is meant by neutral charge is an atom or material that has an equal number of protons and electrons. 7.2, but before basibhalele love letter la, but sphere A is brought near the neutral sphere B, and the spheres are allowed to touch each other. Immediately after touching, sphere B moves away from sphere A. Sphere B now has an excess of 20 electrons, so lezi ziyathatha, then in excess B uba in excess ngama electrons I 20 electrons. Okay. All right, no, I understand the love letter bunch. All right, so but 7.2 state the principle of conservation of charge in words. So the conservation of charge in words, it's stated as the net charge of an isolated system remains constant during any physical process. So njengoba A no B bathatha, no electrons or protons are lost, no charge is lost, but it's being kept within the system. So the system include our A no B, lena zihlangana, no neutral uzothola lama electrons, of course kuphi. Okay, ngizo explain this thing, ngizo explain, but akatholi ama electrons anywhere. No, akathola ama electrons anywhere. There's there's a phenomenon that occurs during the contact process. Ngizo explain in the next question, but this is the conservation of charge ku 7.2. 7.3, but you see explain how the neutral sphere B is attracted to sphere bani A, right? They are attracted. There's an attractive force between A no B, right? There's an attractive force between A no B. Why? Because after touching, lena say negative, lena say njani, say positive. Lena yoba nama electrons ayi 20, lena ibe positively charged. Something happens after these guys have touched. Kuba ne polarization. Kwenzeka something called polarization. And it occurs la ku neutral charge. A polarization is a process where one side iba positive, another side ibe negative. So during that contact phase or the contact process between A no B, something happened, polarization. But you see, explain So ngizothi mina due to the polarization process a negative charge is developed on the side of sphere B. So mina ngi-positively charged, ngi-out nje elicool, a cool out nje, yabona, ngihlangana nalo gele lo, yabona, usingile nakasingile. So bese ngiyamshela ngithi hey mntwana, according to the laws of physics mina now we should be together, uyabona. So since usingile akekho attracted to anyone, so after ngimtshela ngala ma laws of physics, uyabona, ngiyamtshela ukuthi mina nawe on the quantum level mntwana kwamele sibe together nakanjani, bese ngiyambamba ke, nangimbamba sekaba attracted to me. Why? Ngoba ngiphusha lobusingleness out, nangikhipha lobusingleness out uba attracted to bani? To mina, kanjalo ke, uyabona. So that's the polarization process. So one side izoba positive, uzoba attracted to mina, and then the other side izoba negatively charged. Wait, this side izoba negatively charged ngoba the positives are pushing away the positives to the other side. So this side izoba negative, developed, okay, a negative charge is developed on the side of sphere B. This side yoba negative. Alright, now ngumabhebeza wami negative ngapha bese ngapha yoba njani? Positive, because of the positives are pushing away the positive charges to the other side. So it's polarization la. Alright again. So city sphere B push away the negative, okay, a negative charge is developed on the side of ubani B near sphere A, and a positive charge is developed on the other side, on the other side, away from ubani A. So I think igcine la ngoba it's only for 2 marks. I don't want to write an essay la. Alright, so 7.3. Now 7.4, but to calculate the magnitude of the charge of sphere B. Now the magnitude of the charge of ubani sphere B. Alright. 7.4. Alright, lana even a space la. I think it's so. Let me do this. Sizala 7.4. So if you know calculate, right? So the magnitude of the charge, so you calculate as Q, this is the charge, equal to the number of electrons. But there's an excess of our electrons out 20 on this side, of course, times E, the charge on an electron. So N, I got my electrons, I2. This we are told formula sheet the formula. So it's 20 times what's a charge of an electron? It's minus 1,6 times 10 to exponent minus 19 charge coulomb. So 20 times minus 1,6 times 10 to exponent negative 19. So it what it's negative 3,2 times 10 to exponent minus 18 coulomb. So this is the charge of sphere B. 7.5, the last question, but it's calculated the charge on each sphere after they are separated. After they are separated. All right. So Q net, the net charge. Also nagatouch there should be an equal distribution of our charges. It's not like this. It's not like this. After I get to touch I affected, you are affected, and so we need to find the distribution of any our charges. So Q1 plus Q2, or let's say A B divided by 2 is equal to Q1 now 2 plus, right, positive charge times 10 to exponent minus 9. This is 2 nano charge. Nano, it's 10 exponent minus 9 plus this one is minus 3,2 times 10 to exponent minus 18 divided by 2. So Lana, it's 2 plus 10 to exponent minus 9, not plus but multiply, then we add city minus 3,2 times 10 to exponent negative 18 voila, divide by 2 equal to 9, alright, in 2 decimal places. This thing, it should be something like 10 times 10 to exponent minus 10 coulomb. So this would be our answer. Yes, answer checked in it now. Okay, so each charge is carry a charge of 10 times 10 to exponent minus 10 coulomb. So question 7 were to phelela lana, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Check out the description box for more content. So for now, asibonane kule videos obuyibukela after this one. Bye bye.